Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to design a logo that stands out using Canva's easy tools? Click Create, then select Custom Size and set it to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements and search for Hammer. Go to Graphics, search for Hammer, then find a shape to use in your design. Click the Shape button to find an element or shape. Let's try to visualize this. Click the container to select it. Select the element shape, then change its color using the color picker or palette. Place the back into the shape, then change its color to your preferred choice. Adjust the size to make the object smaller. We can also position the system and place some wood below the salmon. Search for wood in the resource menu to locate available wood materials. Thank you. Move to the next item. Loosen it carefully, then lower it into place. Next, add a circle element to your design by selecting the circle tool and clicking on the canvas where you want it placed. Adjust its size and position as needed for your layout. Change the color as needed. Next, add some padding to adjust spacing. Make the object smaller, then duplicate the elements to create copies. Add artifacts, then apply and curve the effect. You can rotate the object and place it accurately on the marker. Add a stroke to the first object by selecting it, then add a stroke to the second object the same way. Click the Share button, then save your changes. Increase the size for better quality, then click Download to save the logo. Now you know how to create a logo in Canva Smash. The like button and subscribe for more design tips.